Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can block pop-ups and redirections on your Chrome browser. So it's one of the problems you face if you allow sites to send you pop-ups and redirections. So I'm going to help you solve this problem if you are facing that. So in this tutorial you just need to hop on your Chrome like this. You can do this on a mobile phone, but then mostly you face these problems on laptops and PCs. That's why I'm using a PC for this tutorial. So now let's hop on our settings, our Chrome here. You move here to your settings and then you come to this page, which is your settings. And now let's move to privacy and security. And now let's move to site settings because you give the site the permission to do that. So now let's come here. So you can see here, let's scroll down here, go to pop-ups and redirections. And then notifications here, I'm going to do a new video on that. So in this video we are dealing with pop-ups and redirections. I mean, if you are there and then you get a pop-up on this side of your PC and it makes a sound here or here, and if you're on a site and then they redirect you, something like that. So now let's tap on it and you can see here on my setting, on default it should be here. It means sites can send pop-ups and redirect to you, something like this. So you'd have to turn it off rather to this side. And if you have websites that you've allowed them to send you pop-ups and redirections, they are going to appear here. So you just have to remove them. So let me show you how you can do this, because I don't have any sites being given a permission to do that, but then I've given WhatsApp the permission to send me notifications. It's Telegram rather. So on that page, same scenario, you just tap here and then you remove it. So this is notification. I use Telegram on my PC. So that's it. So that's how you can block pop-ups and then redirections on your Chrome browser. That's it for the video. If you are new here, you do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here too, I'd say thank you for visiting us. So that's it for this video. Peace.